guys, got no AC call. This is a train heat pump. This is a double wide mobile home and a little retirement park where people come out and set these places up and kind of get the yards and everything maintained. This was one we put in as a Lowe's job back when we were doing installs for Lowe's. People getting the unit, doing the financing through Lowe's. Oh, I believe I just heard the buzz. No cooling call. We did do some jobs for Lowe's about 10 years ago for 3 or 4 years, and that, it was what it was. Oh, and there we go. Puffy, all puffed up. Probably gonna be a problem. Anyway, yep, there's the buzz. So let's get it out and check it. Pretty sure it's bad, but we're gonna confirm it. So the hot weather is here finally. Took a little while to get here this year, but unfortunately seems like we've had about a foot of rain in the last month, so the humidity is really bad. And dew points in the low 70s, high 60s, low 70s, and it's just, yeah, really thick. So that's a little puffed up right there. I'm sure it's open. We will double check that, because that's kind of what these things are designed to do. They overheat, they get hot. Top of it bubbles, pops, and when it does, it just basically breaks the circuits in there. So when you're trying to test it, it'll just show that it's open most of the time. And, so 0.03 and our Herm 0.03, fan 0.03, so it's pretty much open. It's dead as a doornail. So let me go get another one. What are we looking at? A 45 by 5. I sure hope I've got one, because I used one the other day. Alright, I do have one. I guess I had 2 of these on the truck. I don't keep a lot of, I just keep about 1 of each size capacitor. The service guys keep about 4 or 5 of each. I don't have that room to stock that many, so I usually just keep 1 of each. So we got a 45 by 5. And we'll double check it, because it is a jarred, and yeah, 45 and 5, but we're not using the 5 side of it because this fan motor has been replaced. We have a capacitor right there. Out of curiosity, 7.5. So that one's a 7.5. So that fan motor has a 7.5 on it. I don't have a 45 by 7.5 on the truck, or I would put that in there and get rid of this thing, but I'm just going to leave it the way it is and get these people some air conditioning, because it's warm in this mobile home. This is a double wide, so it's not as well insulated as a typical house is. So when that air conditioner quits, it gets hot in there. quickly, and when it's 92 outside and the sun's out, which we're a little overcast. We got some more storms. We're a little overcast today, but we've got some more storms coming in. Again, we got about another 3/4 of an inch last night, and then I guess we'll get some more tonight. We have had plenty of rain. If anybody needs any rain, you can take it from us if you want it. I would not complain about it at all. So we'll get our common side of this capacitor wired up. And then we'll get that wire's a little loose. You tighten that one too. Birds are out chirping. That's nice and tight. Compressor's nice and tight. And get our screw for our bracket back in place. A lot of times I like to label these 45, 5, and then put a date on it for when I replaced it, which will be June 16th, yeah, 16th, 25, and we'll get it turned back on. Uh-oh. That wasn't good. Well, maybe if I put my wire on the right side of it. That's twice I've done that now. It goes on the Herm, not the fan. You make mistakes like that once in a while, just don't leave it that way. Nope. Alright, now I'll get some gauges on it, make sure the charge is good, and these people are probably in their 70s. They do not need it to be hot in the house. Alright, well she's back on and running, checking pressures, and we're doing okay with that. We're running about a 141 and a 320 with a 16 superheat and an 8 subcooling, so it does have a mobile home coil on the inside, not necessarily a train coil, but the split's good, pressures are pretty decent, and it's 85 degrees in there. So these people cool down. It does not take long for a home like this to get hot in this kind of weather. So anyway guys, just a quick capacitor change. Appreciate you watching, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.